Hello my dear children, welcome back again to e-learning class and welcome again to math session of your e-learning class. I hope children you all are following the topics of math session what we are learning. Yes, very good. You all have to study daily, you all have to practice daily, you all have to say the numbers daily, orally, yes, and what you all have to do? Yes, the important thing is you all have to do all the homework very neatly and tidily. Yes, all the lessons of maths, English, general knowledge, science, whatever you are learning, you all have to write in a very neat and clean handwriting. Yes, daily you all have to study, sit with mummy, daddy or your elder brother and sisters and study well. Yes, and so today in our maths session we are going to learn missing numbers from 1 to 40. In the last session we learnt missing numbers from 1 to 20 and today we are going to learn missing numbers from 1 to 40. So let's move ahead and learn the missing numbers. Yes, here you can see a number line. Yes, and on this number line numbers are written and some numbers are not written. Yes, from 1 to 10. You can see here number 1, number 2 and the next number is missing. And which number is that? Yes, number 3. So 1, 2, then 3. Then 4, 5, 6 number is written and the next number is missing. So which is that missing number? 7. Yes, then after 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we'll say the numbers till 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now next, here on the next number line, numbers from 11 to 20 are there and some numbers are written and some are missing. Here 11 number, 12 number, then the next number is missing. 11, 12 and then 13. Yes, 13, 14 and next number is missing and that is 15 number. Now 16 is written and next is missing. So which is that? 17. Now 18 is written and next number is missing and that number is 19 and last is 20. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We'll move ahead. Next is from number 21 to 30. Yes, so here again 21, 22 and the next number is missing and which is that? 23. Then the next number 24 is written and next 25 is missing. Yes, 24 is written and the next number is missing and that is 25. Then 26, 27 is written and the next number is missing and that missing number is 2, 8, 28 and after that 2, 9, 29 is written and the last number is missing and that is number 30. Yes, so 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Next is numbers from 31 to 40. Number line of 31 and 40. Number line from 31 number to 40 number. 31, 32 and then the next number is missing and the missing number is 33. 33. Then next number is also missing and that missing number is 34. Then 35, 36 and the missing number 37. 38 is written and the missing number after 38 then 39 and the last number 40. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Yes. Now children, here what you can see? 3 cars. Yes, a red color car, a blue color car and yellow color car. So 3 cars are there. So from these 3 cars, 1 car is missing. Yes, and that car is blue color car. Yes, so like this only the missing numbers you all have to practice. Yes, you all have to see which numbers are written and after that which is missing. So you all have to write those missing numbers. Here what you can see? Some fruits. On these fruits some numbers are written and some are not written. Yes, so those are missing numbers. The numbers on these apples are written and some are missing. So first number here is number 13 and 13, then the next number is missing. What is that after 13? Yes, 14 and then 15. After 15, 16 is written. Then the next number is 17. Now here which fruit it is? Coconut. Yes, on these coconuts some numbers are written and some are missing. So first we can see here number 27 is written, then 28 and then next is missing and that is number 29 and then 30 is written and the next number is 31. Yes, so 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. And on these pineapples you can see here 36, 37, 38 and then the next numbers are missing. And what are they? Yes, 39 and last number 40. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now we will practice to write the missing numbers. So be ready. First you all see how Miss is writing and then you have to practice in your square line books. First children, we will practice here like this the missing numbers, then we will practice in our square line books. Yes. So here first line you can see some numbers 2, then missing number 4, then missing 6, then all numbers are, then the next numbers are missing. So let's write 2, then what you have to write? 2 after 3. Yes, so here 3, 2, 3, then 4 is written and what is the next number? Number 5. Yes, then 6 is written and what is the next number? 7, then 8 and 8 after 9. So here the missing numbers we have written. Then on the next line you can see which number it is, number 14, and the next number will be 15, 1, 5, 15, and after 15, 1, 6, 16, 17 is written, and then next number 1, 8, 18, 19 is written, and 19 after 2, 0, 20, after 19, 20, then on the next line 2, 1, 21, and next number 2, 2, 22, then 23 is written, and the next number will be 2, 4, 24, then the next is missing, and that is 2, 5, 25, then 26 is written, and next is missing, and that number is 2, 7, 27. Then on the next line 3, 3, 33. Then you have to write 3, 4, 34, 35, then 36, then 37 is written, then 38, 38, 38, 39, 39, and 4, 0, 40. Yes, like this we have to write the missing numbers. Then on the next line 10 number is written, and next we have to write number 11 because 11 number comes after 10. Then 12 is written, then after 12 13. Yes, then the next number is missing, and the after number is number 14, then 15 is written, then 16 we have to write here. Yes, and the last line 28, and then after 28 which number comes? 29. So here 29, then here in the missing number 30, 30, 28, 29, 30, 31, then 32, 33, and then 34. Yes, so like this you all have to write the missing numbers, practice them and write. Now here you can see some numbers are written and some are missing. Yes, in the first line you can see number 2 and the next number is missing. So what will come after 2? Yes, number 3. Then 3, then 4. Then 5 is written, and after 5, 6, and after 6, 7. So in the first line we have finished writing the missing numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then next line 1, 7, 17, and here number is missing. So 1, 8, 18. Yes, 17, 18, 19 and next 2, 0, 20. Yes, after 20 the number is missing, and which is that? 21. Yes, 2, 1, 21. And next number 2, 2, 22 is written. And what is the next number? 2, 3, 23. Then on the next line, which number is written first? 2, 9, 29. And the next number is missing. So which is that? Yes, 3, 0, 30. 29, 30 and the next number is missing and that is 31. Yes, 3, 1, 31. Then 32 is written and the next number is missing. Which is that? 3, 3, 33. Then the next number is also missing and the missing number is 3, 4, 34, 33, 34 and then again you can see a dash means the next number is also missing and that is number 3, 5, 35. Then on the last line which number is written? Number 36 and next number is missing and which is that? Number 37. 36, 37 and then 38 is written. So what is the next missing number after 38? Yes, 39. 3, 9, 39 and after 39, yes, this number is missing and which is that? Number 40. 4, 0, 40. Yes. So children, like this you all have to write the missing numbers in your square line book. Remember, you all have to write it neatly. You have to write first line, then leave one line, then write the next line. You have to leave one line and write. Yes, how Miss has shown, like this only you all have to write and practice the missing numbers. So children, I hope you all understood the missing numbers. So you all practice the missing numbers from 1 to 40 and remember, you all have to write very neatly and slowly in your square line books and don't mess up your work. Be neat and clean and send the homework which you will get of missing numbers from 1 to 40 numbers. Yes. So children, study well and keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.